Good morning, students. Welcome to Physical Science Digital Class Mehabubabad. This is Sunil, PGT Chemistry, TSMS Koravi. Today, we are going to learn about quantum numbers, a very important topic in 10th class. These quantum numbers was developed by quantum mechanical model, and these are useful to identify the position of electron around the nucleus. There are four quantum numbers, namely principal quantum number, angular momentum quantum number, it is also called as azimuthal quantum number, and third one is magnetic quantum number, fourth one is spin quantum number. How many quantum numbers are there? Four. First one, principal quantum number. Second one, angular momentum quantum number, also called as azimuthal quantum number. Third one, magnetic quantum number. Fourth one, spin quantum number. Let us start first quantum number, that is principal quantum number. This principal quantum number was proposed by Niels Bohr. Who proposed that one? Niels Bohr. And it was indicated by small letter n. With what symbol we are indicating principal quantum number? N. And this quantum number describes, that means tells about the size of the orbit and energy of the orbit. That means it indicates orbit number. For example, if n is equal 1, that is first orbit, n equal 2, second orbit, n equal 3, third orbit, like that. And also we know orbit is also called as shell. That means if n equal 1, it is called as first orbit or K shell. N equal 2, second orbit or L shell. N equal 3 means third orbit or M shell, like that. As the orbit number increases, the size of the orbit and energy of the orbit also increases. You observe this picture. As the orbit number increases, size of the orbit also increases. Now tell, who described principal quantum number? Niels Bohr. What principal quantum number indicates? Size of the orbit. What is the meaning of n equal 1? First orbit, also called as K shell. What is the meaning of n is equal 3? Third orbit or M shell. Now second quantum number, that is azimuthal quantum number, also called as angular momentum quantum number. It was proposed by Sommerfeld and it was designated by, that means shown by, letter small l. Already in previous classes you learned Bohr-Sommerfeld atomic model. In that we have seen that letter L. Okay. Who proposed this quantum number? Sommerfeld. And with what letter we are designating? Small l. Okay. This quantum number is useful to identify the shapes of subshells. That means this quantum number tells about subshells. Subshells is nothing but you are taking orbitals. Okay na? Next. Its value depends on the value of principal quantum number, that is n value. That means L is equal 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to n minus 1. That means L value means azimuthal quantum number value start with 0 and end with n minus 1. For example, you take, if n is equal 1, then what is starting value of L? 0 and ending value is n minus 1. Substitute n value. What is n value here? N is equal 1. So starting value is 0 and ending value is 1 minus 1, 0. That means complete we can say L equals 0. That means for n equal 1, L value should be 0. Similarly, if n is equal to, what are the values of L? L is equal, starting value 0, ending value 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. So 0 comma 1. Similarly, n equal 3. L equal to starting value 0, ending value 3 minus 1, 2. Starting value what? 0. Ending value here 2. In between 0 and 2 we have 1. Therefore, L equal to 0, 1, 2. That means if n is equal to 3, L has 0, 1, 2 values. Similarly, you tell if n equal 4, L is equal to starting 0, ending 4 minus 1, 3. In between 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. That means if n is equal to 4, L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now tell if n is equal to 5, L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. If you observe carefully, if n is equal to 1, L has one value, that is 0. If n equal to, L has two values, 0, 1. If n equal to 3, L has three values, 0, 1, 2. That means third, for example, if n equal to 3, third orbit having three subshells, 0, 1, 2. If n equal to 2, that means second orbit having two subshells, 0, 1. If n equal 1, that means first orbit. First orbit having only one subshell, that is L equal to 0. That means first orbit having one subshell, second orbit having two subshells, third orbit having three subshells, fourth orbit having four subshells, like that. That means this quantum number tells about subshells and also their shapes. Now, what are the shapes? L equal 0 is treating as S subshell. That means L equal 0 having name S subshell. L equal 1 is treating as P subshell. And L equal 2 is treating as D subshell. And L equal 3 is treating as F subshell. That means L equal 0 S subshell, L equal 1 P subshell, L equal 2 D subshell, L equal 3 F subshell, L equal 4 G subshell. And like that we have names. And what are the shapes of these subshells? S subshell having shape spherical, P subshell having shape dumbbell, D subshell having shape double dumbbell, and F subshell having no shape. It is having complex shape. Like that we have shapes. These shapes are in next video I will explain with diagrams. Thank you.